This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Here's an announcement. As the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is underway, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also help others get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing. Focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011 2397 8046 and 1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now, the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh launched the Chief Minister's Health for All yesterday. Door-to-door health screening will be conducted across the state and Jan Aushadhi medicines will be provided to patients free of cost for primary health care under the scheme. The Chief Minister G. Hakchel G. Tengbal, Chief Minister Healthcare Scheme and Ayushman Bharat health cards will also be issued to patients having severe and chronic illness. In the first phase, 1,628 villages will be selected comprising all 16 districts. These villages will be linked to 118 primary health sub-centers, 29 primary health centers and 7 community health centers. In Manipur, 69 persons were confirmed of having contracted the COVID-19 infection yesterday. On the other hand, 84 more COVID-19 patients were discharged from health centers after recovery from the viral disease. The recovery rate is 97.28% and the active caseload is 1,444. Nagaland registered 9 new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. The recovery of 17 infected persons increased the number of recovered cases to 29,597. The state's COVID-19 active cases stand at 230, with sample positivity rate declining to 1.58% as per official reports. Meghalaya reported 3 COVID-19 related deaths yesterday, increasing the number of fatalities to 1,431. The state also recorded 87 new cases of infection, which added up to 892 active COVID-19 cases. The recovery of 115 more persons surged the number of recoveries to 80,411. Till yesterday, 10,86,295 persons had received the first dose of the vaccine against COVID-19 and 5,47,523 were fully vaccinated with the second dose across Meghalaya. The Shiromani Akali Dal leader and President Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee Sardar Manjinder Singh Sirsa arrived in Shillong on Wednesday night to interact with the state authorities on the Harijan Colony issue. The delegation met Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik and expressed their opposition to the move of the state government to relocate the settlers from Harijan Colony. The regional committees on border disputes for West Khasi Hills and Kamrup districts are likely to conduct another joint visit after the puja celebration. Meghalaya Minister Renington Tongkhar, who is the chairperson of the regional committee for West Khasi Hills, said they are planning another joint visit after Durga Puja. He said he will talk to his Assam counterpart and Minister Atul Bora in this regard. Mr. Tongkhar informed that a date suitable for both sides will be fixed and they will go to villages that were not covered during the first visit. Today is Vijaya Dashami, marking the culmination of Durga Puja and Navaratri festivities. Idols of the Mother Goddess and her entourage will be immersed in water bodies after performing the Dashami Puja. People greet each other and exchange sweets on the occasion, marking the victory of good over evil. The pujas were celebrated in keeping with safety protocols and in peace and joy all over the Northeast, along with the rest of the country. Governors and chief ministers of the various states of the region have greeted the people on the occasion of Vijaya Dashami. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have greeted the nation on Dashera. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.